Okay, so welcome to my unboxing video for the Carisma GT14 radio control car. This is my first unboxing video, so it's probably going to be absolutely terrible, but right now there don't appear to be any others on YouTube or anywhere, so hopefully it'll be better than nothing. Okay, so we have quite a nice box, little handle on the top, nice and easy to carry, see the car through the window. On the side we've got some English and Chinese or Japanese writing on the side, and on the back we have information about some of the spares that you get in the pack, servo holders, C-hubs, some suspension adjustment, multi-tools and some towing adjusters, and then on the back we've also got details of some of the optional upgrades. Down here it does say this is not a toy. As you can tell by all the upgrades and option extras and spare parts you can get, it's not like any other toy car on the market. Obviously that sort of size looks kind of toy-like, but it's not. Okay, other side, more information, writing and so on. As you can see, I've gone for the McLaren Mercedes body. They're all the same chassis, electronics underneath, it just seems to be the body shell and the wheels which are different between the different models, so you can always change the body shell and wheels later on if you want to have one that looked different. Okay, so let's open this up. Not coming out without a fight, obviously. Okay, so inside the box we have two smaller boxes. Look at the car in a second. Let's just have a look in this one. Okay, the remote and a pack of papers. Let's see what we've got in there. Okay, some Carisma stickers going on the bodywork, a radio conformity certificate, and the instruction manual. In again the same combination languages that was on the box. Oh, there we go. We've got some shock assembly instructions, diff assembly, steering, chassis, so quite useful stuff in there. Okay, another little box, which hopefully is actually a charger. It actually comes with a UK charger. 1100 mAh battery, looks to be pretty much the same as it coming in the SC18 short course truck. The battery and charger have the fairly standard mini pin, mini connectors that you get with the micro coils. Some AA batteries which go in the controller, only taken for like a Spectrum DX3. The SC18 controller takes 8, so that's a nice bonus. We have a little bit of plastic, not entirely sure what that's for. And finally we have some tools, the towing adjusters, suspension, shock absorber spacers and servo mounts. Okay, and next up, the car. Okay, so here we have the car. Quite nice work on the body shell actually. The bonnet louvers are moulded into the shell. Air scoop there's moulded in. The lights are slightly moulded. The Mercedes roundel again. That's actually stuck on a bit of plastic there. You do have proper wing mirrors, even. I don't know if you can see that, but even reflective. They've got some silver sticker in there, so I suspect they'll be snapping off the first time I drive it into a wall, along with the spoiler. The grills, side vents there, they're also moulded. The exhausts aren't, but we do then have some more nice detailing on the back, which is also moulded in. Right, so yes, some very nice work on the body shell there. On the side, and underneath there's some Lex in there covering the space where some cells would sit. Obviously with the stick pack it's not needed. Right, so let's have a look under the skin. So, motor with a heatsink already attached. Here we have the ESC with a little on-off switch built into it. The 2.4 GHz receiver. There is another cheaper model of the GT14 which is a non 2.4 GHz one, but for the convenience and ease of use, 2.4 GHz is what I've gone for. Micro servo. And then obviously the front end and the rear end. It's a shaft drive, 4-wheel drive. Just about to see the spur gear in there. It comes with plastic body shocks. Here, plastic body shocks with what look to be aluminium caps on them. There are some different shocks available either as a kit or pre-built, which I think I may well be going for. And so there's different wheels available. Again, pre-glued with the tyres pre-glued onto them. But anyway, that is the car. For the different body shells, you can adjust the body mounts here. So if you, I think there's a mini body shell and various others available, so you can just adjust the body mounts as appropriate. But anyway, that is the car. And that is my unboxing of the Carisma GT14. Wasn't that bad, was it?